you're not always hungry. Your brain needs to look for comfort. Stress can make you crave sugar and high-calorie foods. This is called emotional eating. It's not a lack of discipline. Your brain is trying to regulate your emotions. Next time you want to eat, ask yourself 3 questions. 1. If this was a normal meal, would I still want it? 2. Do I need food or do I need a reset? A walk? Music? A moment to check in? 3. Stop being hard on myself. What am I actually feeling right now? Notice what you really need.